Sales is all about manipulation. You have to get inside your prospect mind to make them buy your product. This video explains how understanding psychology can help you with this. I will break down every idea in psychology under the sun. So if you want to build a successful business, make a lot of sales, therefore make a lot of money, pay close attention to this video. My name is Berk and I run a 6-figure consulting business, and I helped more than 100 coaches with scaling their businesses so far. And in this video, I will teach you how the human mind works, and I will show you some manipulating techniques I used and of course my clients use to make people buy our services. Of course, in an ethical way. Because when it comes to selling, you want to sell people on what they want, and inside the program, you give them what they need. The human mind is strangely developed, and what I observed in the coaching industry is that people buy transformation, not information. That's why you want to sell them on what they want, aka the transformation they want, and you want to teach them what they need, aka the information. So if you want a human to take action on your program and buy it, we need their body to execute it. And for their body to execute, we need their mind to be set up. That's where psychology comes in our help, because psychology is the study on the mind and the behavior of the mind. But first, let me explain you this about the mind. The mind is actually split in two parts: subconscious and the conscious mind. The mind can either set actions consciously or unconsciously. Think about it for a moment. How conscious you were when you ate this morning? Probably not. How conscious you were when you were scrolling through Facebook this morning? Probably not. How conscious was your decision to drink water? Probably not. And humans make decisions both subconsciously and consciously in sales too. Whatever this action is, conscious or unconscious, there are a few psychological heuristics that run behind, and all of these heuristics, they dictate what action this person will take. And if you understand this heuristic that I'm about to teach you, you can easily manipulate people and make a lot of sales. And the first psychological tendency is incentive. The main driver for human behavior is incentive. An incentive is, I would say, a force of motivation for someone to do something. Typically, because they have an interest to do this. An example is your offer, your business offer. That's why the better your offer is, the better is the incentive, and the more likely people are going to take action. And of course, in my channel, I have a lot of videos showing you how to create such an offer. The second psychological heuristic is disliking, hating tendency. Humans are less likely to act on something if they dislike the person asking them to do this thing. For example, if you hate Donald Trump, everything he says will be filtered through hate. So even if he says something objectively true, you won't see it the way this is. Or if someone hates your approach to get results, they will not schedule a call with you, even if you can change their lives. And of course, the opposite is also applicable. If people like you, they will act on what you tell them to do. That's why it is super important to create content, present yourself in the best possible way, to attract raving fans, because whenever you are on sales calls and you ask them to take action, they will do that. The third one is curiosity tendency. Humans are curious by nature, and this drives their actions and decisions. They hate having half the picture, and they like to complete things, of course in a cognitive order. So they would typically act in accordance of this. An example is if you have a website with all of the information under the sun about your information, people have no incentive to schedule a call with you. Therefore, you won't book any sales calls and you won't get any clients. That's why you want to always give a high-level overview of what you do. And the same thing is when you are on calls. You want to give them a high-level overview of your offer, so they are curious to get in and just complete the picture. And the last one is a social proof tendency. Humans tend to bias their actions and decisions based on other people's action and decisions. If they see a lot of people do something, they're most likely going to do something. Monkey see, monkey do. That's why on the sales funnel that you can see down below this video, I showed all of the client results we have So you can see that a lot of people are in the program and you are more likely to join our program too. And now that you know all of these 5 psychological heuristics, you can close sales easily. And of course, you can make fuck tons of money with this. But please use this ethically. And don't forget to subscribe for my channel and leave a like if you found this video helpful.